Hello, in this video I want to show you how to enable or disable autofocus with shutter on a Sony camera. To do this, first we'll need to click on Menu button, navigate to the 5th page of camera settings. Then you'll be able to find the face and eye autofocus set, and we can adjust the settings like subject detection, human or animal. Next is the right-left eye select, and you need the human option selected before. And right here we can switch between auto, right eye or left eye. Then there's the face detect frame disposition, and we can display, and we can enable or disable it, and animal eye display that we can enable or disable. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.